welcome back on my channel. In this video I will show you how I've cleaned my propeller. As you can see, my propeller has a lot of fouling on it. To get rid of it, I will be using vinegar with 25% of acid. I will cover all parts with paper towels soaked in vinegar. In order to achieve the best result, keep the parts in plastic bags to keep the vinegar from drying out. Everything will rest there for 24 hours. Other than the remaining parts, the propeller base has, besides sea pox and fouling, some remains of white aluminum oxide on it. This comes from the anode. I will not clean it beforehand, but just cover everything with vinegar to see later on if the vinegar can get rid of it as well. After 24 hours it's finally time to unwrap. The vinegar did a great job, and besides some remains, everything is easy and smooth to clean. After scrubbing all parts and giving it a good wash, I'm pretty satisfied with the result. Almost all of the fouling and the sea pox came off quite easily without any force. I've decided to do some post-processing and used sander with 600 sanding paper to remove scratches from the propeller parts. After the sanding is done, it's time to use some metal polish to make everything nice and shiny. There you have it. Looking closely you can find a lot of marks and scratches, but that's more than okay for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, feel free to leave a like, subscribe and tick the bell. See you soon.